Hey there YouTube, welcome back. On today's video, we are going to be painting the calipers on my Mustang. These are the Brembos in the front. And in the rear we have the just regular brakes. But I am going to be painting them my favorite color. You guys will see what it is in just a second. Here we go, guys. This is what we got from the store for the brake caliper paint. I bought some brake cleaner, brake parts cleaner, white primer, fluorescent yellow paint, and gloss clear high temp clear coat. Alright guys, so anytime that you are painting a bright color like this one, you always need a white base under. Whether it's Plasti Dip, whether it's spray paint, you always need a white base. As you can see, I have the car ready to go pretty much. Everything's matched off. Scotch brighted, sanded. Didn't record me taping it up just because it's a hassle, honestly. The hardest part, taping it up and sanding down. Go around again. And do a time lapse now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let that dry for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to come back and sand it down. As you can see, it's like bubbling up or something. And I don't want that to come out on the actual caliper, so I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes and then come back and possibly spray again. If I spray over again and it does the same thing, then I'm gonna start sanding. We got the brake parts cleaned up. Literally just scrub them with the Scotch Brite and water. Alright, as you can see here, it's kind of dried up now. I'm gonna give it another shot with the primer. See if it sprays on evenly now. Spraying on a lot better now. Wow. The guys that do this job charge so much money. Now I see why. Not only is the material pretty expensive, but it takes a long ass time, guys. But it's more fun when you do things yourself. You get what I'm saying? Let that dry up. Alright guys, so I did about 3 coats of the white primer on this. Oh shit, I'm pretty much done. It's just this one dripped a little bit on me, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna sand it down. And then here's the color that we're gonna paint them. Krylon Fluorescent. Fluorescent Lemon Yellow. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start painting this side. I'm gonna need to wait for the other side because I'm gonna sand down the front caliper again because I did drip the primer. So I'm gonna just knock this side out of the park so we could finish up the video. Very light coat.
Watch, guys. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself.
This is only the first coat. So far, so good. This car's gonna look so good. Oh my god. Guys, I am beyond proud of myself. You guys know this is my favorite color. Oof. Sheesh. Sheesh. Check out that coverage. Alright guys, so here's how I'm gonna fix my fuck up. Acetone and a towel. I'm gonna wipe off the face of the caliper only. I'm gonna hit this again with a Scotch Brite real quick. There we go. Just gonna mist this on there, just like that. There we go, let that dry. Oh my god! Alright guys, last and final step is gonna be the clear coat. Plastic from over the car. Now we're gonna take off this masking here. This is very satisfying. on the disc. So you just literally just spin it over and then just sand down this edge here. Not this. This is gonna come off with the brake pad. There we go. Look at the results, guys. Beautiful. Let's head over to the back. So we do have some overspray right there and the disc part like this. We're gonna take the car out of gear right now so we can spin this. That way we could just sand it down with the Scotch Brite. I'll show you guys. So I didn't realize I had the acetone literally right here. So we're gonna look at it. Pour some on the rag. Literally comes right off. Alright guys, we're gonna put the wheel back on right now. And that concludes this episode. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I hope you guys enjoyed the color and learned something today along with myself. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.